Hey y'all, so I'm gonna make this very quick. I'm actually running out the door, but I just wanted to tell you guys where I've kind of been and what's been going on. I haven't posted in a while on this channel. I filmed this video a while ago, long time ago. Never got around to editing it, but here it is. I just wanted to let you know that some of you already know this if you follow me on Instagram or for friends in real life or friends on Facebook or whatever, but almost a month ago now, my mother passed away very suddenly, and I'm not gonna get into details or anything on here because I don't want to cry, but anyway, she meant a lot to everybody and all this kind of stuff. I started a new YouTube channel and it's dedicated to cooking, and that was one of the things that we both were very passionate about, one of the things we shared together. And so I'm gonna put the link in the description box. It's called Just a Little Kick, and I came up with the name because she was somebody who really loved spicy food, and she could somehow take any level of spice. If we were eating the same dish and I was like drinking water or drinking milk or something, she would be able to just take it and handle it, and she would say, oh, it's just a little kick, meaning, you know, it's just a little spicy. So that's how I came up with the name. It's Just a Little Kick, and that is where you'll see me more often. I'm not gonna give up this channel because it was my very first channel. It means a lot to me. I'm still gonna post, you know, home decor and cleaning content and that kind of thing, but just not as often as over on my other channels. So if you want to continue seeing me, and if you want some recipes and some food ideas and that kind of thing, please go subscribe over there to that channel. So enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so now that we're past that little announcement, let's get into the video. So we're just going to kick the video off with doing an easy crock pot meal, and it involves fresh spinach, black beans, diced tomatoes, some vegetable stock, some plant-based ground beef by Gardein, 2 packages of 3 cheese tortellini, some heavy whipping cream, some minced garlic, black pepper, a little bit of ground mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, this Walker's Wood jerk seasoning for a little kick of spice, a little bit of seasoned salt, and some diced red onion, and that's it, that's all. We are going to throw everything in here, I believe, except for the spinach at the beginning, and kind of just let it do its magic. All right, so I cooked that on, I think, high for like 4 hours. And then at the end, I added in that spinach because it really doesn't take any time for it to cook down. It was pretty good, but I'm not sure if I would make this version again. It didn't have enough flavor to me. So just want to be honest with you guys. So anywho, let's keep going. All right, you see the disaster, you see the mess. Let's get started in this dining area.
Doesn't mess with your head, no, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me, no. I will love you right.
I swear these school papers are the bane of my existence.
Never you're sad, yeah. I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back. love you right back.
Okay, so random story, but in question actually. I thought about this as I was editing this video because I see my tattoo is showing. It is my oldest child's name. I got that when he was about 6 months old, and I was forewarned by my mother before we went to the tattoo parlor. She's like, just in case you have more kids, you probably shouldn't do that, you know. And I was like, I don't even know if I want any more kids. I don't know if I'm going to have any more kids. Yeah, spoiler alert, I have 4 more after that. So now the kids are complaining that, oh my gosh, you don't have my name. That's not fair. You must love him more. But I had so much pain, like getting that done. Oh my gosh. It was way more painful than I actually thought. So people have like full sleeves and tattoos on their face and on their skull and all that stuff. I don't know how they do it. Very random. But do you guys have any tattoos? And if so, how many and where are they?
I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
So when I'm making my arrangements, if you've been around here for a while, you know that I have to do it over and over again and change this and change that. It just takes me forever, but I have to make sure it looks a certain way. So it does take a while, but I end up loving it in the end.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna.
All right, so time to get to this messy, messy kitchen.
But you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7.
How often do you guys use your dishwasher? Do you use it every day, or do you prefer to wash dishes by hand? I use my dishwasher every day, sometimes twice a day.
Just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so.
Okay, so now on to my favorite part, the most satisfying part of cleaning the kitchen, which is scrubbing the sink down.
Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know.
It's not a under neon bright lights when I see you dancing.
Anybody know any tricks on getting candle wax or wax melts off of the counter? I spill the wax melts all the time, and I have such a hard time getting it off.
Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy.
This pumpkin pie sign I got from Hobby Lobby. That was in my fall 2021 decor haul. But it is my favorite piece, I think, of decor in the house, because I don't know, I just think it's super cute, and also it's an actual pie recipe. So, my fave.
You wanna leave behind, get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away.
This area over here I changed up only a million times because I couldn't figure out how to make everything fit. But in the end, I ended up using like a styrofoam block from the Dollar Tree. And then I added some florals and stuff. I pushed down and I made it work.
There's a remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love.
When was the last time you wiped down the outside of your stove? If it's been a while, this is your friendly reminder. Go ahead and do it.
And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
Okay, time to get all this trash and recycling out of this kitchen.
I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's no remedy, yeah. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have them all crying. Gonna be sweet there.
Okay, so unfortunately, we are almost done with this video, but I forgot, or actually I couldn't find where the ending clip is. I usually like to record an ending clip so you can see the cleanliness and how everything turned out. Couldn't find it. So with that being said, I mean, you guys saw how I went through everything and decorated and all that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Come over to my other channel, Just a Little Kick, and I'll see you guys back here soon for some more videos. Bye.
Time, left, right,